It's good. I think we can fix it right now. Are you ready?
Yes, that's what I wanted to hear.
Okay. You got your sword and shield ready, your pen and your piece of paper?
Yep.
Good. You don't need them. You don't need them. I want you to take your eyes and I want you to close them. And I want you to not look at, by the way, your script was amazing. It's great. You're good enough. You don't need the whoopee anymore. What was that? Was it Mr. Mom? I can't remember. The kid had the whoopee, right? Your script is your whoopee. We're going to take the whoopee. We're going to put the whoopee on the washing machine. I don't want you to look at your script. I want you to give me your raise your hand right now. Don't look at any script. Just, I saw you look over there. Okay?
Yeah.
Just look over that way. Look over that way. Don't look at your script. Give me your raise your hand.
Sean here with Plains Equipment Rentals. You and I are connected by the Alberta Road Builder Construction Association. Hey, just wanted to reach out, raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. Anything you're dealing with in terms of equipment or anything related to that, be happy to help you guys out, whether you're a customer or not.
Boom!
Mobile 403. Okay.
Ben, I think I see Ben there. Ben, way better, right? Julian, way better, right?
Oh yeah.
He missed the I live and breathe this stuff, which is a terrific line. However, the second iteration, Sean, you know what it sounded like? A real dude with no agenda.
That's it.
Ian,
That's what I was
I don't know if you're driving or not. Ian, did you pick up? It sounded way better the second time, did it not? Ian, give me a thumbs up. Yeah, Ian says it sounded better too. Chelsea, you have the best voice in all of the world. Unmute yourself, Chelsea. Which one sounded more authentic? Oh, maybe Chelsea's.
I said the second one, of course.
Yeah, right? So the scripts are there, they're helpful, but we don't need to make them our whoobies, right? And here's the thing. If you find that you're getting off script a lot, then go back and look at it. Right? But here, I think, here's the thing, dude. And I'm going to take the heat on this one for you. Okay? You just let me worry about this. Sean, I think you're being too hard on yourself. I think you're being too critical of yourself. And I think you want to be perfect on every single call. I want you to give me 3 weeks of just, I'm going to have some fun with this. Right? And if you're not happy with the results after 3 weeks, I'll give you a freaking refund on your month or something. Just let me worry about you being perfect for 3 weeks. You are good enough, dude. You are awesome. You have an awesome business. You care about it. Let's start having some fun with it, right? You know what you want to say generally. Freestyle a little bit. You know, don't look at the sheet of the music. Get out there and be Eric Clapton. Throw some other stuff in there. Play around with your voice a little bit. Have some fun with it. There's nothing saying, Sean, that you can't start having fun with this stuff.
Yeah. Ask coaching ever, Matt.
Hey, my name's Matt Easton. If this is your first time seeing my sales videos, I want to help you out. I want to give you my closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. You are going to close more deals. You're going to have more fun. You're going to make more money. You're going to hit your goals in life. And I'm going to cover all the costs for you. Did we just become best friends? I think so. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.